Most photographers are going to spend 20 minutes per image. I've got the secret here that can show you they can do it in one click, in seconds. You can batch edit 1,000 images if you want to. Now, how good is that? Most photographers are going to spend way too much time editing their pictures, trying to get the skin right, worrying about every last little flaw and thinking, how am I going to get this done, and try and rush the job, and then the images look bad. Let me show you how you can do this simply, quickly, professionally, and even a beginner can look like a professional photographer who has edited all their images in seconds. Hey guys, I'm Shane, welcome back to TPG, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about editing skin and how I do it and what I use. Yes, I've edited for many years. I can for high-end clients too as well. So I understand how to get skin looking perfect and flawless and all that kind of stuff. But most photographers, 90% at least, I would say, don't need images to look flawless and perfect because their clients don't look like that. And most clients, although they might suggest that they want something like that, when they actually look at the images or anybody else looks at the images, they go, that's a bit fake. So let me show you how I get my images done. And the secret is Reblum AI. Let's have a look at this. So get back to the first one. And yes, this even works with people with no hair or little hair. Let's have a look here. So look at this image. How good is that? It doesn't make the man look weird or false or anything like that. Look at that. Cleans it up nicely. The reflections are still there. Everything looks natural. And even on the top of the head, this is the big thing. Look, it just softens off those shadows and doesn't make him look plastic and weird. That's the important thing. You want your clients to look like themselves, but a nice sort of polished version. And that's what Reblum AI does. It doesn't give you any fake results. It gives very repeatable results every single time. Look at that. That's just beautiful. And let me show you how I actually do this. So let me just delete that layer. I have some actions which I have created. If you want those, there'll be a link down up here to a video which you can watch, and you can see how to get those actions for yourself for free. Here we go. So Reblum Natural, click that up, and off it runs. And this is a large file. You can see it's 86 megabytes. So it's not a small file. And bear in mind, this is recording, screen recording, and all that kind of stuff. So the system is much more laggy than it would be. So on your PC as well, it'll run perfectly quickly, very quick. You can batch edit 1,000 images if you want to, and it's just like that, bam, bam, bam. So how good is that? I mean, that's just amazing. Look at that. And that's the same result, repeatable. It doesn't give you any artifacts, different finishes from image to image. If it's the same person, it gives the same results. This is beautiful. So let's just go into this interface and just show you how it looks. Quickly we go in here, Reblum Retouch, and that's what the interface looks like. Really, really quick and easy. It's streamlined, it's sleek. There is no overcomplication of anything. The people who have created it have done a lot of work in the background to make this as clean and as simple as possible, doing all the work in the background for you, and that's what you want as a photographer. Very, very simple, very efficient, and that's what I like. Couple of sliders, and don't forget there's some new features coming very, very soon, and you want to be on board for those things. So yeah, so that's as simple as that is, and you can see like before and after and all that. You can change the sliders. There's a couple of presets we use over there that do a few different things. I have some other videos about that. Let's cancel that. Let's go straight in up here and look at this woman. Beautiful. Look at that. Hey, doesn't she just look perfect? I mean, that is a headshot. If you're a client and you had a headshot in your office and you and all your staff are getting new shots done for the website and for promo and all that kind of stuff, I mean, that's what you want. She looks amazing. And if you're still not 100% happy with that, you can just dial it back a bit. 60% or whatever that is. And it's beautiful. That's what you want. And here we go. Maybe you just want to add some contrast and you want to warm it up a little. And there you go. It's beautiful. Adding it. I mean, come on. It's as simple as that. And you could batch edit 500 of these images in half an hour and you're done. And everybody looks perfect and not overdone, not plastic. And that's what you want as a photographer. So Reblum AI is I've shown you 3 examples with glasses, without glasses, men and women, different ages, balding man, and it looks amazing. And that does the whole body as well. And that's what's so good about it. The most important feature about this is that it does not get uploaded to the internet. And for me as a professional photographer, and for my clients, when they sign a contract with me and we're doing work, they know that I'm taking care of them and their images are looked after. It's based on my hard drives, my machine. You can get you can subscribe monthly. You can get a trial version if you like. Check it out. I paid for the stuff myself and then approached them and said, hey man, this is really good. How can I tell other people about it? And that's what I'm doing today. It's fantastic. You've really got to get it. And you can also get a lifetime license. It's incredibly good value. All the updates that come are free. So there's no paying extra to upgrade and all that kind of nonsense. You just get it once on your machine and off you go. There are new features coming. They are going to be incredibly useful. As it stands now, the skin tone correction which it applies is beautiful. It's very realistic. It doesn't make people look fake. It varies in different areas of the person, face and hands, bodies, and all these kind of things. Your whole, wherever there's skin showing, the work gets done. It is software that I will only tell you about that I use. If I say it's good, it's good. I will never steer people wrong just for the sake of a bit of money. That's not me. I'd rather give stuff away for free and help people. So get the software, have a good go at it. It's something that you will really enjoy. It's efficient, it's quick, it's lightweight, and it blasts through images. So if you want to upgrade your photography, your skill set, and have your clients really impressed with realistic looking imagery, then this is for you. The masking on this is second to none. I've never had any weird artifacts or taking away parts of bodies or adding things or removing things that shouldn't be taken out. Everything is consistent and repeatable again and again and again. And that is why I like Reblum AI. There'll be a link below. I do get a percentage and you get a special offer. So go and grab that. There are new features coming very soon. I know I've said it a couple of times, but I'm telling you, you want to be on board for them and you'll get those as soon as they're ready to roll out. So make sure you get this. This is the best software I've come across. Lightweight, you need it. Don't get stuck with, I believe, either AI, which do too much, go overboard, and do not actually give me the finish that this does. Reblum gives me a consistent, realistic finish, and that is what my clients look at and they go, wow, I love the photos. I look so good. Why is that? You know what I mean? How did you do that? I love how you do this. You know what I mean? And wow, the turnaround was so quick and efficient. Yeah, because I'm using Reblum. So get yourself Reblum, get yourself ahead of the game, get yourself ahead of the other photographers, and get some professional software for a small amount of money. Anyway, guys, I hope this has been helpful. Check out some of the other videos I've got. There'll be some up over here that will be good for you to go have a watch about the software. Reblum is a very good, capable piece of software, and it punches way above its weight. So have a look. And in my opinion, it's the top dog in editing your photography pictures. So catch you guys in the next video, and enjoy your editing with Reblum.